So here's what I'm using to make my pancakes and waffles. You can use whatever you want, but this is a process to making them turn out perfect. Of course, you can use a pan to flip them. I'm using these little easy makers because they're convenient. You don't want to overfill it, of course. Now we get our chocolate chips. Put as many or as little as you want. Keeping in mind that this thing is going to flatten out once you close it. Alright, now here's the secret. I use a chopstick to pull up some of the batter and go over the chocolate chips because you don't want the iron in direct contact with the chocolate because then it burns. And nobody likes burned chocolate.